Good morning, gardeners, and it's a beautiful morning here in Orlando, Florida, and as you can see, I am watering my plants. And I'm gonna give you 3 tips, maybe 4, or what you should do when it comes to watering. Watering is very tricky, especially if you live in Florida, where it is right now in August, it's very hot and humid. It rains for 10 minutes and then the sun comes out and it's like 97 degrees. But the first tip that I can give you, especially with your vegetables, is water at the base. Try the best you can not to wet the leaf. Why? Because it's gonna just bring fungal disease, opportunities for bacterial disease, you name it. We have it all here because of the weather that we get. Number 2, water in the morning. Nothing is being proven about watering a certain time, but in my personal opinion and my experience, when you water in the morning, you have all day for those leaves to dry. The sun is gonna be out. You have a better chance to let that water, disappear through the day. If you water at night, it stays damp and wet all night long, and that is an invitation for all kind of disease. And you see, we are in August here, and I am still growing vegetables, especially like okras, the things that is gonna work. But you have to be diligent with water, and that will lead to my number 3 tip. You have to be consistent with your water routine. If you don't water every day and sometimes twice a day in this kind of weather, you can kiss goodbye to any harvest that you want to have. The best thing would be having drip irrigation. Not everybody can do that. But if you don't have drip irrigation, I'm gonna tell you right now that watering every day, sometimes twice a day, goes a long way. Here in August, with this heat and humidity, when everybody's already done with tomatoes, I still have tomatoes going. And look at it. The plant doesn't look pretty nice or pretty, but I am still getting harvest. We're still harvesting 10 tomatoes to 15 tomatoes every single day. And yes, you have to fertilize, and yes, you have to baby and all that stuff, but I think watering goes a long way. Look at my squash, still looking good, and squash are like hard because you get all the pests, you get the powdery mildew, and it's a challenge. But these 3 tips should be good for you. So let's recap. Make sure you water at the base. That goes a long way. Try not to splash your leaf, and that will help you. Number 2, make sure you water in the morning. Like I said before, nothing has been proven, but I think when you water in the morning, you have a better chance for those leaves to dry through the day with the sun out. And number 3, make sure you water in every day, unless it's gonna rain, and not a 10-minute rain, like a downpour rain. That's what you get every day. Sometimes with this kind of heat, you need to water twice a day. And when it comes to your fruit trees, same thing. If you have it in containers, you have to water them every single day in this heat. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about gardening, please subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.